Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reset your eFootball Konami password. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser on your mobile device and search for My Konami. From the search results, access the official Konami website. Once you're on the home page, tap on the Login button at the top right. Then, tap on Login again, and you will be taken to the Sign-In page. Now, scroll down slightly and tap on the Forgot Password option. Here, you need to enter the email address linked to your Konami account, then tap Next. Konami will send a password reset email to your inbox. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it immediately. Open the email and look for the password reissue link. Tap on it and it will redirect you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and submit the changes. Once done, your eFootball Konami password will be successfully reset, and you can use it to log in again. So that's basically how you can reset your eFootball Konami password. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.